market में घुसता हूँ गिर जाती है. So as soon as I got into real estate, you know, I understood tourism, and then we have now just founded Grumo.pk. So what Grumo.pk is essentially it takes the one trait that we have as Pakistanis, irrespective of their ethnic background, Sindhi, Saraiki, Punjabi, Balochi, Sunni, Shia, Hindu, Jewish, और वो एक खासियत हमने जो है जो सब में कॉमन है वो है मेहमान नवाजी. तो हम कहते हैं कि उस मेहमान नवाजी को आप अपने घरों से इख्तियार करके घर बैठे बैठे पैसे कमा. Hotels are getting more and more expensive. Their services and standards are becoming more and more substandard. So what we essentially do is you have an asset at home, which is your house. घर में 5 कमरे हैं, 3 इस्तेमाल होते हैं, 2 खाली पड़े हैं. घूमों पे लगाएं और एक्स्ट्रा